Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making it count with pizza rolls.
Pizza rolls are a favorite in my home, and I know your kids will absolutely love them, so let's get going.
Now these are homemade pizza rolls with pepperoni and lots of cheese rolled up in pizza dough, and then it's brushed with a garlic butter glaze. And the best part, it's dipped in a warm pizza sauce.
This is the favorite part for mom here, is the dipping of the pizza sauce, okay? Totally. Although pepperoni is not the best food choice for your health, you know, every now and then it can be okay, part of your well-balanced lifestyle. But just limit the amount you take in.
Well, we'll start by preheating our oven at 400 degrees. And we'll take our pizza dough out and roll it in a rectangular shape, about 10 by 14. We'll sprinkle the dough with pepperoni and mozzarella.
After that, we're going to start with rolling our dough up very tightly, or as tight as you can. From there, you're going to cut into 1-inch pieces with a pizza cutter or a serrated knife, and we're going to place those cute little pizza rolls on our baking sheet lined with parchment paper.
You're going to want to coat these with a glaze. So for the glaze, in a small bowl, we're going to add our melted butter, garlic powder, and Italian seasonings. Then we'll brush that over the rolls, and we'll bake these for about 10 minutes or until they're golden brown. And if you like, you can sprinkle with a little bit of Parmesan. And then, of course, serve with warm pizza sauce.
The dipping part, once again for mom, is everything. Adding a side salad and cucumbers rounds this meal to a higher nutritional value and allowing your family to enjoy a treat every now and then.
There you have it, one more healthy, kind of, sorta, for a treat recipe from the BariGirls.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us on YouTube and Facebook.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you
make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.